ain't joking, you gon' think that I'm pretending. Just pull your dick out, man, it's for Harambe. All day, every day.
Hello. Welcome back to Z Food Review. Today we're at McDonald's at the Zionsville location. First time ever buying the 10-piece Mcnugget. Gotta say, pretty easy process of buying. So we opened it up. They come in this very chicken form. Smell fried. So I already opened the sauce for the video. So we're just gonna dip it. Key is to dip it like 10 times. And we're gonna try it.
Like the Polar Express cable.
Barbecue sauce is spicy. Man, see the real chicken in there? It's real chicken. It's definitely real.
Okay, what would you rate it out of 10, out of whatever your scale is?
Definitely a 3 out of 10. McDonald's did a good job with this product. Thank you.
Subscribe, donate to the Patreon, GoFundMe.